Welcome, in this video we are going to learn dpkg command in Linux. dpkg command is the main package management program in Debian and Debian based system. It is used to install, build, remove and manage packages. Aptitude is the primary front end to dpkg. Installing a package. For installing an .deb package, use a command with -i option. For example, to install an .deb package called flash plugin on free 2.8.deb example, for that you have to write dpkg-i flash plugin on free 2.8 and so .deb. Remove a package. To remove .deb package, we will specify the package name, that is flash plugin on free, not the original name plugin on free 3.2.deb. The -r option is used to remove or uninstall a package. For example, dpkg-r flash plugin on free. You can also use p option in place of r, which will remove the package along with the configuration file. The r option will only remove the package and not the configuration files. To remove configuration files, dpkg-p flash plugin on free. To view the content of a particular package, use the -c option as shown. The command will display the contents of a .deb package in long list format. For example, dpkg-c flash plugin non-free 3.2 i386.deb. Check if package is installed or not using -s option with package name. Will display whether a db package installed or not. Example, dpkg-s plugin -non-free. Install all packages from a directory. Recursively install all the regular files matching the pattern start.deb found at specified directories and all of its subdirectories. This can be used with -r and -install options. For example, I will install all the .db package from directory called db packages. For example, dpkg-r -install db packages. Unpack the package but don't configure. Using the action -unpack will unpack the package, but it will not install or configure it. For example, dpkg-unpack flash plugin non-free 3.2 i386.deb. Reconfigure unpacked package. The option -configure will reconfigure already unpacked package. For example, dpkg-configure flash plugin -non-free. Replace available package information. The -update avail option replaces the old information with the available information in packages file. For example, dpkg-update -avail package _name. Erase existing available information of a package. The action -clear -avail will erase the current information about what packages are available. For example, dpkg-clear -avail. Forget uninstalled and unavailable package. The dpkg command with the option -forget old unavail will automatically forget uninstalled and unavailable packages. Example, dpkg-forget old unavail. Let's open up the terminal and type dpkg-help. Here you can see that basic syntax, dpkg option and command. dpkg options are -i to install for installing application, -get selection, get list of selections, -set to set package selection from sdin, clear selection, and so on. You can see that comparison operator are lte, le, ne, ge, gd, and so on. Now let's see the list all the installed packages. To view and list all the installed packages, use the -l option along with the command. Type dpkg-l. You can see that the list of installed packages. Let's check the location of packages installed. To list location of files to be installed to your system from package name, type dpkg-l zsh. Here you can see that installed zsh package location. To view a specific package installed or not, use the option -L along with the package name. For example, check whether Apache 2 package installed or not. Type dpkg-l Apache 2. Here you can see that Apache 2 package is installed. Type dpkg-version. Here you can see the dpkg package version. So that's it in this video on dpkg command in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.